It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 4th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Cold is the word of the day with temperatures well below average, and that will continue all the way through Thursday. A freeze is likely in the valley for tonight, but temperatures will begin to moderate for the end of the week and heading into the weekend before more unsettled and cooler weather comes in here for next week. Let's get into it first. The almanac from yesterday, 65 degrees was the high, 45 the low. That occurred at 11:59 p.m. And the normals, 69 and 47. Outside now, here at 7 a.m., we've got a few clouds as the sun prepares to rise over the valley. 37 degrees, a very cold start to the day at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 5, so the air mass is bone dry. Relative humidity, 25%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Observations around the area this morning. Yeah, it is cold. We're in the 20s up on Thompson Peak and over at Goldfield, 30 at Saguaro Lake. It's around freezing at Goodyear and Peoria, as well as Sun City, and most spots around the valley are hovering just above the freezing mark. The upper air look shows you exactly why it's so cold. Check it out. Temperatures up there at around the 18,000 foot level, or 500 millibars, sitting at minus 31 Celsius just north of Arizona. So that is very cold air aloft, and that will continue to filter in here today and tonight before things start to moderate. Here's the watch warning map. Yes, we do have a freeze warning in effect for the valley. This is for tonight from midnight through 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. A hard freeze is likely for parts of Pinal and Gila counties. And the convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around Houston, up toward Little Rock, Memphis, Tennessee, Muscle Shoals, Alabama. And precipitation for the next 7 days. This comes from the WPC. They don't have any rain for us here in the valley and only light precip across northern Arizona. But the model guidance does suggest that we do have at least a chance of seeing some precipitation in here early next week, and we'll get into the details of that now as we take a look at those models. Here it is, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our very cold upper trough continuing to churn through the west. Cold air advection will continue today. Down at the surface, the sky will be mostly sunny, but it's going to be a cold day. Highs in the low to mid-50s will be around 15 to 18 degrees below our climatological averages. Tonight, skies will be clear and it will be cold. Lows in the upper 20s in the cold spots, low to mid-30s in the urban core. And then tomorrow, sunny, still pretty cold. Highs in the mid-50s. Thursday, we'll start the day again in the 30s, and I would still cover those plants even Wednesday night and Thursday morning because most spots will be pretty close to freezing. High temperatures will climb back into the low 60s. And then upper 60s to near 70 likely on Friday with sunny skies as high pressure will slowly build in. Saturday will be back in the low to mid 70s, and same thing on Sunday, but clouds will be on the increase as another system begins to develop and evidence of a closed low beginning to form along the California coast. So by Monday, that will start to come on down the coast, and we'll see some moisture increase in here. Still a little bit uncertain as to how much moisture we'll actually get out of this. But the models do agree on the idea of a fairly potent system coming on through the southwest with cooler air. So we'll put at least a chance of rain into our forecast now. Partly sunny skies for Monday, and high temperatures fall back to around 70, maybe a bit cooler than that. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 11th. And again, cold troughing here across the southwest. More unsettled weather is likely. Scattered rain and mountain snows. And how much rain we get in the valley, still yet to be determined, but at least there is a chance we could see some precipitation. And going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Thursday the 13th. And that still looks somewhat cool and unsettled. The European is actually showing a continuation of rain chances here, whereas the GFS is dry but cool. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models. Yeah, it stays cold through tomorrow. Even into Thursday, we'll be below average, but then quickly warm up this weekend. Again, the likely warmest days are Saturday and or Sunday, with highs back in the mid-70s. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.